Hey everybody, today I have got 2 more tips for you on how you can tweak your subject line to improve your open rate for your email marketing and newsletters. So my very first tip is to add value. But in order to add value, you need to know who your emails are going to. For example, my emails go mostly to small business owners. So when I send out an email, the way I might add value in that subject line is to put something in there like 10 tips on creating a social media marketing plan. My customers expect to get emails from me about social media and email marketing. By saying 10 tips on how to create a marketing plan, that's something that most of my clients would love to know, because they struggle sometimes with their social media and actually having a plan for their social media. So me putting that in the subject line would definitely add value, and they would want to open that email and learn more. Now, the second tip I have for you, I really like, because it's kind of a double-edged sword, or you'll see the benefit of it when you do it. It is to make an announcement. And that announcement could be something like, back in stock. There's a lot of people running out of items, and it takes a while to get them back in stock. Send an email out saying back in stock and name the item. That's going to add a lot of value. And that announcement is going to get people to open that email, especially, of course, if they've been looking for it. Now, that's one example. Another example of the type of announcement you might make might be weather related. If you live up north during the winter, you might get some bad snowstorms. Okay, so you might say, close this Friday due to bad weather. Well, people are going to open your email to get the details, possibly as to when you'll be back open. But the really neat part of this is, if someone comes in the following Monday and says, hey, I came by your store on Friday, and boy, it was really tough getting there with all the bad weather, but you were closed. And you could say to them, well, I sent an email out to my customers. You must not be on my email list. Would you like to join my email list? Now you have a new subscriber, because he's going to see the value in receiving your emails. So those are the 2 tips for this time. And they are, once again, add value and make an announcement in your subject line.